Hello YouTube, this is a quick lesson on how to make a one-click link to add a calendar. This is good for network administrators who want to send an email to add a calendar for Google Calendar people. I've created a calendar, a throwaway calendar right here. I'm going to click the down arrow, left click. I'm going to left click calendar settings. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to HTML. I'm going to go ahead and that pop-up that just happened, I'm going to click the link for that. And this is going to open a new tab. You're going to see a full browser screen of a calendar. This is the tricky part. You're going to require two hands for this part. On the bottom right of the screen is a little graphical icon that says Google Calendar. It's a plus. What you're going to do, you're going to left click that, and then immediately you're going to hit the escape key. That's going to cancel it from loading. The reason we're going to do that is that we're going to capture the URL up here. So here, I'm going to do it right now, just as an example. I click tapping escape. Now that stopped the page from loading. That's what it's supposed to do. This is going to be blank white. You're going to go up here and copy the URL. Now I'm going to go ahead and write myself an email. Click to add calendar. I'm going to make this a hyperlink, and that URL I just grabbed up from here from the previous screen, I'm going to paste right here. Okay, so as you can see, click to add calendar. I'm going to send myself this email. Now I'm going to close all my tabs, and beyond that I'm going to go into my calendar and I'm going to remove that throwaway calendar. But just to prove that this is that throwaway calendar right here, I'm going to make an event at 2 o'clock. Throwaway, create. So you see that little event there. I hide this calendar from the list because you're not deleting it, you're just hiding it. It still exists even though I'm the only person with it. So now we know that there's no throwaway calendar there. I'm going to close this. I'm going to check my mail. It says click here to add calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and this is what your users are going to see. They're going to see this dialog. Would you like to add the calendar throwaway? Yes, to add this calendar. So it takes a couple of seconds. There we go. And if we scroll down, you will see the appointment I just made is on there. Then again, just to reiterate, this is good for if you have 1,000 people and instead of them going in and doing it the long way, just like adding a calendar by going search or whatever, you can just make a one-click thing and that's it. They'll have it added. Hope this is helpful.